Can you imagine that coffee almost got banned in Europe? Today, coffee is almost like an essential for most of us. But back then, coffee was called the devil's drink and almost got banned from the Christian world. Coffee first arrived in Europe in the 16th century, brought by Venetian traders who had contact with the Ottoman Empire. At that time, people were suspicious of it because it was associated with Muslims who were seen as enemies of Christendom. When the issue reached Pope Clement VIII, his advisors told him that coffee should be banned because it was the drink of Muslims and therefore the devil's drink. However, Pope Clement VIII insisted on trying it, and when he did, he was blown away by the rich and bold taste he had never experienced before. With that, coffee gained the Pope's blessing, and later, coffee houses began appearing across Europe, first in Italy, France, and Austria. And just like that, the so-called devil's drink became everyone's daily obsession.